Hi everybody, this is Mike with Flock Outdoors. It's middle of June and fishing on the Menominee River for some rock bass and a couple walleye, and fishing the Menominee River here, and we're allowed to fish. There's two sides of the Menominee River. There's a Michigan side and a Wisconsin side. I have a Wisconsin license, so I can fish on either side, Michigan or Wisconsin. If you have a Michigan license, you can fish on the Wisconsin or Michigan side, but you have to have that paper license on you at all times. And that's the rules out here. And we'll see you in a couple minutes. Got a fish, folks. It's a nice one. Look at that. Got a nice fish. Sheephead, look at that. Get myself a sheephead. Yeah. Nice size sheephead. First one of the year. My first sheephead of the year. Look at that, guys. Nice size one. Yep. Caught another one. Ooh, nice fighter. Looks like, I think it's another sheephead. Ooh. Yep. Another sheephead, guys. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Another sheephead. Whew. Yep. Got a sheephead, guys. Caught another fish. Seems like another sheep's head. That's my third sheephead today. My third sheephead. Hi everybody, look who showed up. Brady showed up, and little Dakota showed up. Say hi. Dakota, say hi. Say hi to everyone. Yeah, he's smiling. We're all fishing out here in the Menominee River. Great day, great day. Yep. Feels like another sheephead.
Probably is. Oh yeah, another sheephead.
Small ones.
That was not that bad.
My fourth one. Yeah. Woo! Good fighting. These have good fights.
They're here during the day, but not at night. What the hell?
This is the first time I caught one. Caught them here.
Sure.
Yep. Last time we were here, we were catching all rock bass. Look at that, guys. Woohoo! Nice sheephead.
I'd like to see that under a night.
That'd be fun. Well, guess what, people? Got another sheephead. And the Menominee River, there's no size limit. You can keep many as you want for the sheephead. Yep, I don't keep sheephead, but some people like to eat them, but I don't. Got a big fish, folks. Big fish. Find another sheephead. nice sheephead. Yep. It's like number 5 now for me. Look at that, guys. Woo! Look at that, float. Already caught one on a lure. Caught an alewife. Hey, can you use some bait? An alewife.
Oh, they're really jumpy.
An alewife, look at that.
Weird. Thin.
Feels like a rock bass. Feels like a rock bass. What
Sheephead, right?
Yep. What
Oh, I don't think I've seen a sheephead that size.
Look at that baby sheephead.
I've never seen a sheephead that size.
I never seen one that small neither.
Take a picture of that.
Look at that, guys, my smallest sheephead ever caught. Sheephead.
It was a sheephead.
You'll see it.
I got this.
Yeah.
You guys got a net?
Nope.
I do.
I got braids, so. Oh, sheephead.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah. Woo!
Oh, the fucking hook does.
Look who's here.
Sheephead.
Get out there.
Jesse's here. Look at that.
You got a good catch, Mike.
All right, look now. Look at the kids here. The kids are here. Look at that, guys. Hey, Brookie. Big one, guys.
Oh.
Don't lose that. Don't drop that one.
Almost lost my pole. Look at that, guys. Another sheephead.
All right, get over here.
Yeah.
No, hang on to your pole. Hey, don't let go of your pole now.
Look at that, guys. Nice size sheephead. Woohoo. Another sheephead, probably. Yeah.
There's enough of those.
Yeah.
Another sheephead. Is that the sheephead?
Yep. Or a freshwater drum.
The real name of them.
I think that's the real name. They love that. Did this why you hook?
Nope. There you go.
Wow!
That's a big one, guys. Yeah.
Oh, you are having it.
Hey, Brookie.
We got the fish! Sheephead!
Get away from the edge.
Got it! I got sheephead! Got it!
All right.
Is he really?
Yep.
I got sheephead!
You all right?
Yes, I got right. Wow! Don't go your spot! No!
Look at that. Brayden got a sheephead.
You know what's funny? You just put it out there.
Your dad, will take it off for you.
Ah!
Look at that. What do you think about that? Brayden got a sheephead. Hey, you like fishing?
Can I touch it?
Yeah.
Brandon!
Good catch. Oh, I caught a fish. That almost fell in.
Where?
Diving in for it.
Whoa!
Another sheephead. Got doubles. Oh, that'd have been awesome getting that camera. Me falling over.
Oh, I got one.
Look at that. Another sheephead.
Hurry up, guys.
You like fishing?
Yeah.
Bluegill. Got a bluegill. Woo! That's a big bluegill. Woo! You got a big bluegill.
Holy crap.
Woo! Look at that.
Yeah, baby, I'm the only one that got that little one. Hello.
Right, it's about your fish.
Hello, guys.
Brookie got a bluegill. Hey, put the net down. You don't need the net.
Get the net away from it, Aaron. Hello there, babies.
Brookie got a bluegill.
Hello there, babies. Yeah, see, you don't even need a bobber, Brookie. Look at it, you did it without a bobber.
Yay! I got a fish.
All kind of fish.
Aaron, get the net.
Jesse got one.
Oh, I got it.
No, get that out of here. I got a 20-pound test line. I ain't worried about it.
Get the net. Get the net out of there.
Get the net, Aaron. Get out of here. Swallow my hook. Don't worry. Hey, Aaron. I got a big pool.
Look at that. Jesse got one now.
Now everybody caught one. Where's my?
It's like after 7 o'clock and caught about 30 fish today, and we're heading back home in a minute. And the kids are getting restless, so we're just gonna head back. If you please like and subscribe to our channel, Who Gives a Flock Outdoors, on Facebook and YouTube. Everything you do for us is really very appreciated, and I'd like to make sure you have a nice and successful year.